Good morning, guys. Bali, natapos ko na yung soldering or solda. 4 days ko bago matapos kasi napakahirap niya gawin at hindi ako marunong. Bali, nagpaturo lang ako kay kuya. So, ito yung sample. Ito yung sample or ito yung name ko. Hindi siya perfect pero okay naman. Ito lang yung nakayanan ko sa lahat-lahat. So, may papakita lang ako na konting video kung paano mag-soldering. And that's it. Thank you!
Ganito ka din matcha kahit pa sa machine. One scoop, one cycle. And it's active clean formula, cleans, whitens, and brightens. Machine wash na parang hand wash. I never worry na maghahalo ang perfume ko sa ibang amoy.
New and best ever down with Perfume Pearl. Scent that lasts longer than expensive perfume. You are so beautifully pretty down with pure fragrance.
Only at 5 pesos.
Hey guys, kailangan niyo ng strong coffee.
Ayaw ko ng mapait na kape.
Hindi lahat ng strong coffee Try improved coffee ko black 3-in-1.
Strong, pero hindi mapait.
Gising! Sarap! Coffee ko black 3-in-1. Strong, pero di mapait.
Good hair day or bad hair day? Kulang ba ang shampoo lang? Shampoo can strip off hair nutrients. Use Cream Silk every day with 100% more nourishing power. Have a good hair day every day. Use Cream Silk every day.
Kapag ba
Natin, pag naging blue, harsh. Pag no change, gentle. Kaya choose the one that's gentle. pH Care Feminine Wash with pH Level 5. pH Care.
Small dogs live large. Feed them right with Pedigree Mini.
Uy, may audition! Sali tayo, kaso maigay na hair ko. Italic style. Pahabain natin. Sunset nourishes hair to be twice as strong as it grows long day by day. Be a football player, runner, doctor. With strong and long hair, you can play any role. Have amazing!
basta sakit ng katawan? Kapal lang ang laksan. In as fast as 15 minutes, turog ang aray. Aray pero di bibigay. Laban lang ang laksan.
Unilab yan.
Ano bang pinagdaraanan? Nasa kamay mo kung paano lampasan. Nasa kamay mo ang diskarte at paraan. Nasa kamay mo ang sarap ng buhay. Nasa kamay mo ang magic. May sarap ang aroma ng dagdag onion, garlic, real meat at spices. All in wonderful Maggi Magic Sarap. Nasa kamay mo ang sarap.